Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today, we're counting down the top 5 weapons that changed the game in military history. At number 5, we have the machine gun. But was it really the game changer it's made out to be? Let's dive into the stats and find out. The machine gun was first introduced in the early 20th century, and it quickly became a staple on the battlefields of World War I. Suddenly, soldiers could fire hundreds of rounds per minute, mowing down enemy troops with ease. But did it really change the game? Let's look at the numbers. Before the machine gun, the average casualty rate for Allied troops was around 3,000–4,000 per month. But after its introduction, that number skyrocketed to over 100,000 in just a few months. The machine gun was particularly deadly in the trenches, where soldiers were packed tightly together and had little cover. It's estimated that the machine gun was responsible for up to 80% of Allied casualties during World War I. But did it change the course of the war? That's up for debate. While the machine gun was a formidable weapon, it was also a double-edged sword. The Germans, who had developed the machine gun, were also heavily reliant on it, and their tactics ultimately became predictable. Today, the machine gun is still a crucial part of military arsenals around the world. But its role has evolved, and it's now just one part of a larger toolkit for modern warfare. So, was the machine gun the real game changer? It's hard to say, but one thing's for sure: it changed the face of warfare forever, and its impact is still felt today.